Space is vast, and it holds countless mysteries. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, the universe is a treasure trove of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Every now and then, we get a glimpse into these mysteries and discover something new. These discoveries not only expand our knowledge but also ignite our imagination and curiosity. In the year 2001, astronomers discovered a new moon orbiting Jupiter. This was a significant addition to our understanding of the Jovian system. They named this moon Euanthe. The name Euanthe comes from Greek mythology, adding a touch of ancient lore to this modern discovery. This discovery, led by Scott S. Shepard, added another member to Jupiter's already large family of moons. Shepard and his team have been instrumental in uncovering many celestial bodies in our solar system. Euanthe is a small moon, even for Jupiter's standards. It measures only a few kilometers in diameter, making it one of the smaller moons in the Jovian system. It's just a tiny dot compared to the massive planet it orbits. Despite its size, Euanthe's discovery is a reminder of the intricate and diverse nature of our solar system. Imagine a grain of sand next to a basketball. That's how small Euanthe is compared to Jupiter. This comparison helps us appreciate the vast differences in scale within our solar system. That's how small Euanthe is compared to Jupiter. Yet its presence is crucial for scientists studying the dynamics of planetary systems. But don't let its size fool you. Even though it's small, Euanthe plays a big role in helping us understand our solar system. Its orbit and composition provide valuable data for researchers. Even though it's small, Euanthe plays a big role in helping us understand our solar system. Each moon, no matter how tiny, contributes to the bigger picture of planetary science. Each new moon we discover gives us more clues about how planets form and evolve over time. These discoveries are stepping stones in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Euanthe is only about 3 kilometers in diameter. This tiny moon is one of the many small satellites orbiting the gas giant Jupiter. Despite its minuscule size, it plays a part in the grand celestial dance around the largest planet in our solar system. That's about the size of a small town. Imagine a whole world condensed into the area of your local neighborhood. It's fascinating to think about how such a small object can exist in the vastness of space. If you were standing on Euanthe and could survive the harsh conditions, you wouldn't see much. The landscape would be stark and desolate, with nothing but rocky terrain stretching out in all directions. It's likely a rocky, barren world, with no atmosphere to speak of. The lack of an atmosphere means there would be no weather, no wind, and no protection from the harsh radiation of space. Despite its small size, Euanthe travels a long way around Jupiter. Its orbit is vast, taking it far from the planet and then bringing it back again in a long elliptical path. It orbits at a distance of about 20 million kilometers. This immense distance is hard to fathom, but it shows just how expansive the gravitational influence of Jupiter is. That's like traveling around the Earth over 500 times. To put it in perspective, if you could drive a car in space, it would take you years to cover that distance. It takes Euanthe about 602 Earth days to complete one orbit around Jupiter. This long journey means that a single year on Euanthe is almost twice as long as a year on Earth. That's almost 2 Earth years. Imagine celebrating your birthday only once every 2 years. Life on Euanthe would certainly have a different rhythm compared to life on Earth. Imagine watching a race where one car is going the wrong way. That's kind of what Euanthe does. While most of Jupiter's moons orbit in the same direction as Jupiter's rotation, Euanthe goes the opposite way. This is called a retrograde orbit. Scientists believe that moons like Euanthe were likely captured by Jupiter's gravity long ago. These captured moons didn't form around Jupiter like its other moons. Instead, they were probably wandering through space when Jupiter's gravity snagged them. Section 4. The Ananke family portrait. Euanthe isn't alone in its backward journey around Jupiter. It belongs to a group of moons called the Ananke group, named after the largest moon in the group. These moons are all small and have similar retrograde orbits. Scientists believe that the Ananke group moons were once part of a larger object that broke apart. This breakup could have been caused by a collision with another object in space. By studying these moons, we can learn more about the early solar system and how planets and moons formed. Section 5. Euanthe, a name etched in the stars. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, names carry stories, histories, and legacies. Euanthe is one such name, etched not just in mythology but also in the stars. The name Euanthe comes from Greek mythology. It is a name that has been whispered through the ages, a name that carries with it tales of beauty and grace. Euanthe was the mother of the Graces, goddesses who represented beauty, charm, and grace. These goddesses were often depicted in art and literature, embodying the very essence of elegance and allure. It's a fitting name for a moon that, despite its small size, adds to the beauty and wonder of our solar system. This moon, like its namesake, contributes to the intricate dance of celestial bodies around Jupiter. As we continue to explore our solar system, we are bound to find even more celestial wonders. Each mission, each discovery, brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe and our place in it. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. The story of Euanthe reminds us that even the smallest objects can hold big secrets about the cosmos. In the grand tapestry of the universe, every thread, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the bigger picture.